Hey, good evening. I hope you had a great week so far. Yesterday, I talked about three basic things that you need for your cell to survive. And studies are done that if you give basic nutrients and basic need to the cell can live forever. So some of us then ask questions saying, okay, the studies show that if the cell can live forever, what makes the healthy cell die? There are three basic causes that can make the healthy cell die. One is lack of oxygen. And as we know, oxygen is one of the most important basic need for the cell to survive. So if you don't give enough oxygen to the cell, then the cell's going to die. Second thing that can cause healthy cell to die is disruption of the electrical field, because our cell communicate through the electrical field and electricity conductivity. When you disrupt the cell electrical field, they can die. And then the last thing is the physical rupture of the cell. So then how do you prevent those three things from happening? Pure and simple. For the oxygen, you need to move. If you sit around and don't move, then your circulation is not going to be good. And the other thing is make sure you control your stress, because when you're under the stress, you do not breathe properly and you do not breathe deeply. We end up breathing very shallow, so we don't get enough oxygen into our lungs. So in turn, your cell do not get enough oxygen. And in the long run, you're going to have your cell dying from lack of oxygen. And for electrical field disturbance, we have to pay attention. As we know, there's more and more electromagnetic field around us with cell phone, TV, iPad, laptop, all of that, microwave. You need to be aware of how these electromagnetic field from all these devices and equipments are affecting you, and try and at least turn off the cell phone or Wi-Fi at night so you can have a better and deeper sleep without electrical field disruption to your cell. And then the last one, cell injury, making sure that you're not physically getting injured, etc. And the other thing is the cell rupture interruption is that if you don't detox properly, or if you don't have proper cell membrane flexibility, then your cell can injure or rupture quite easily. So how to keep your cell membrane more flexible and healthy? If you want to know detail about it, message me. I can share that with you. It's a simple thing that you can do. I hope this is helpful and valuable information for you. And I hope that you can keep your cell healthy and living forever. This is Dennis Wong coming from Winnipeg, and I'm grateful to serve.